Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Ryan Johnson. I'm an ESD technician. I've been here since August 2017. My favorite part about working with Paul Davis in the ESD department is every day it's something new, meeting a whole bunch of new people. It's a family atmosphere and I love it. On my free time I like to hang out with my family. We just previously had a newborn and that's basically why I show up to work every day, just for him. So family and friends, and that's about it. Alright guys, looking forward to the future. Have a good one.